Hello and welcome to Kiddie Kids. In today's video, we are going to focusing on the sound shh. Don't forget to subscribe Kiddie Kids so you can enjoy many more videos like this. So let's get started it. Shh, shed. Let's try it one more time. Shh, shed. Shall we go for the next word? Alright. Shh, shell. Repeat after me, everyone. Shh, shell. Let's try another word. Shh, ship. Shh, ship. Are you ready for another word? Shh, fish. Let's try it one more time. Shh, fish. Let's try another word. Shh, wish. Repeat after me. Shh, wish. Let's go for the next word. Shh, shop. Repeat after me. Shh, shop. Are you ready for another word? Shh, brush. Let's try it again. Shh, brush. Let's go for the next word. Shh, flash. Let's try it again. Shh, flash.